The samurai were not just warriors, they were the heart of Japan's history for centuries. Their story is filled with honor, discipline, and fierce battles. But how did the samurai rise to power? What made them the most feared warriors in Japan? And why did they eventually disappear? Today, Legends of the East and West will uncover the secrets of the samurai, their code of honor, and their greatest battles. The samurai emerged in the 8th century as warriors who protected local lords, known as daimyo. Over time, they became the ruling military class. After the Genpei War 1180–1185, the first shogunate government was established, marking the true rise of the samurai. From protectors, they became rulers, shaping Japan's history for over 700 years. Samurai followed Bushido, the way of the warrior, a strict code emphasizing honor, loyalty, and self-discipline. If a samurai ever lost honor, he would commit seppuku, ritual suicide, to restore his dignity. Their weapon of choice, the katana, was considered one of the deadliest swords ever made. Samurai also trained in archery, hand-to-hand combat, and horseback warfare, making them highly skilled warriors. Some of history's greatest samurai include Minamoto no Yoshitsune, Miyamoto Musashi, and Oda Nobunaga. They fought legendary battles, like the Genpei War and the Sengoku period wars, that changed Japan forever. The samurai weren't just fighters, they were military strategists who shaped the destiny of Japan. In 1868, the Meiji Restoration introduced a modern Western-style army, making the samurai obsolete. Saigo Takamori, the last great samurai, led a final rebellion but was defeated in 1877. With that, the samurai era ended, but their legend continues to inspire people around the world. The samurai's story is one of courage, discipline, and loyalty. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Legends of the East and West, like, and share, so we can bring you more amazing historical stories.